Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to have multiple Telegram accounts on just one device. Whether it's for work, personal use, or managing a group, Telegram makes it super easy to switch between accounts. Let's dive in. First, make sure your Telegram app is updated to the latest version. You can do this by heading to the App Store or Google Play Store and checking for updates. Now open Telegram. On the main screen, tap the menu icon in the top left corner if you are on Android, or the settings icon at the bottom right if you are on iOS. Look for the Add Account option and tap on it. You can log in with a different phone number, enter the number you want to use, enter your email address, Telegram will send you a verification code. Once you enter that code, you will be logged in. Once you have added the new account, you can easily switch between accounts. Tap the profile picture or the account name in the menu and you will see all your accounts listed. Just tap the one you want to use. And that's it. You can add up to 3 accounts on the device. Thanks for watching our videos.